Hello, as you can see, I got a new package. It's a big one. And I'm so excited for it because it's my BTS Lightsticks. And I just can't wait for it. So let me open it and show you. So it's finally open and they sent me alcohol because we have to take care of this virus that is going on. They sent me two gym photo cards. They sent me the Lemona thing. And also gin. And oh yeah, I bought it from Crocodile, by the way. I ordered more light sticks that I got from my friends, so they will arrive. I probably won't do unboxing. Yeah, I guess I'll do it because they're coming with all the merch. I was struggling to get it out of the thing. So, valid customers, COVID-19. Okay. And what else do we have in here? Oh, we got a little figurine. So I don't know if to open it right now or not because I ordered this with my friend, so we don't know who's gonna keep it. Okay, so I texted my friend about figurine and I think we're gonna open it together, so I guess I'll show you if I get to keep it or not, because if I get my bias, if I get Chimmy, I'll keep it, and if we get Cookie, she keeps it because her bias is Jungkook. But for the rest, we're just gonna do that randomly. So if I keep it, I guess I'll post a picture, and if I don't, I'll post a sad test that I didn't. Now let's go to the light sticks. I put the flash because it was getting a little bit darker. Oh my god, I'm so excited about it. So I guess this is my friend's, and I'll get this one. It doesn't really matter because they're the same. Okay, and now let me open the light stick. So I got it open. I'm sorry, my filming conditions are always shady and bad. I don't have a stand or a pretty background, but I'm so excited about it. Map of the soul. Okay, let me see what else is inside. Okay, I think there's some instructions. So I wouldn't read everything right now because, yeah, if you want to read it, I guess take a screenshot. Comes with the photo cards. They never fit in my bundle. And the pouch. Let me open this one. This is so cute. Look, it says Army. Special edition. I wonder if it's really special and limited or it's just the name. Let me open the photo cards. They are so cute. I can't wait to put them into my binder. I'm so excited about it. Oh my god. Update. As you can see, the light is super strong. I'm so glad I got it. I'm so happy about it. I'm so happy to use it in concert and doing the fan chants.